Hi guys, it's here Tiger here, and today we're gonna play some petirDish. So let's go into it now. Okay. So we're gonna try to get first. Kill everyone. People are gonna kill you. Even the big lads are gonna kill you in this. Be careful. So please leave a like. Let's hit 5 likes. Not that much. Please. Okay, let's go. Okay guys, we're first. That didn't take us that long. 8 minutes, not that long. Man. When I'm big, no one cannot defeat me. If I'm only first. Let's just free the shoulder. Okay, free. Let's just see it. So revenge is all the people. Oh, we're bigger than the other guy who killed me. But revenge. Good luck eating that. Boom. I can't split. Yes, I did. Let's get this together. Now. Are you trying to run away, fam? Oh, you're not gonna run away. Oh, Jesus. Oh, Jamie. No, no, I can't see. Oh, right. Good. You didn't die. Now, hi, friend. Wait, what? He's a hacker. Team. Hey, team. Come on. Team. Team up. Team up. Come on. Team up. Well done. Wait, what? Hehehe. I'm big. Help me. Help me, nigga. How does he do that? Jesus, he's like pro. Oh yeah, he's still dead. I'll kill you, fam. Oh! You see that? Bitch! Now you're dead, bitch! Oh, now it's your turn. Wait, his name is Hero. Oh, you're not Hero. My TV just turned off. Why am I doing this? I'm not scared of this guy. I'm going to defeat him. Good luck escaping, fam. Sorry. Just had to... Oh, he's still not giving up. Oh, just keeping killing him. Told you guys, I will never die. Who is that? It's just me and you. Okay, it's not. Guess that guy's not quitting. Come on, come on, come on. Feed this all up. I'm gonna feed this all up. Check if we get actually big. Which I'm big already. Oh. Let's just kill him and come back for it. Because no one is gonna steal it. There we go. We're gonna wait. No, actually, it's gonna get very, very laggy. I swear. Not that laggy. But I just wanna get it laggy. For you guys. Oh, he got big. I'll leave him to get big. Then I'm gonna kill him. Then I'm gonna give all my mass to Hero. Can you say hi? Hi. Team, no, I'm not gonna kill you. I can't, come on, team, I'm not trying to kill you. Team, oh my, what's wrong with this team? Yeah, come on. I give you all my mass. What you got? Come on. I give you all my mass, fam. Come here. Come on, let me do a pop split. Watch this, guys. Let me just split. Watch this. Wait. Come on, just come on there. Come on there. Just come out. You see? Here, friend. You done a very good job. You know what? Boom. Boom, 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 boom. That's the end. See you later.